Hi guys, I'm Chef Sunflour. Welcome to my show. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to make some cake drums. Okay, so first you're going to need contact paper, you're going to need cake boards, and some scissors. So first you're going to spread out your contact paper and then put your cake boards inside just to see how much of the contact paper you need to cut off. When cutting your contact paper, you should be able to see lines. If you purchase the same one as I did, they have lines on there, so it's a good guide to make a straight cut. After you get your paper cut, you want to remove your sticky paper and then place your cake board inside of the paper and just stick it on there. Now, once it's in there, you just want to cut around your cake board, cut in the contact paper so it easily folds over in. After you get it cut, it should look like a little flower. Then just add your extra cake boards. I use at least 3. Then just fold your paper over like a pinwheel, one over the other. Alright, now you have a cake drum. I hope this helps you save some money, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe for these great tips. Thank you. Bye.